It's Thursday, April 12th. Looking out our kitchen window and just wanted to zoom in down on the ground and see two very large possums, or opossums. It just kind of shocked me. Actually, where is it? There's one right there. And then the other one is right there. It went under sort of the deck. Pretty cool. They're big. They're as big as a large cat. I bet you they weigh between 15 and 20 pounds. That one's the smaller of the two. The other one is really big. The one on the down by the jacuzzi. Alright, the big one's back. I'm telling you that based on looking at it with my own eyes. I'd say that's probably 20 pounds. You can tell maybe it's slightly bigger than the other one. I don't know if it's a mom and dad or like a mom and baby, but it might be a couple. Who knows? Never really seen possums out in the open like that. I thought they were nocturnal. And then, right here, we've got a red-bellied woodpecker and all kinds of birds. Boy, it's a great day at the bird feeders. Bluebirds. Alright, cool stuff.